children, welcome to ASA Education. ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 35 रेडन मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। चैप्टर का नाम है क्लॉजेस। ये थर्ड चैप्टर है। अब यहाँ क्या बताया है कि आपको pick out the clause in each of the following sentences and say what kind of clause it is and with what word it is connected. आपको बताना है क्लॉज कौन सा है और किस वर्ड के साथ ये कनेक्टेड है। पहला है कम व्हेन यू लाइक। तो व्हेन यू लाइक जो है एडवर्ब क्लॉज है और ये मॉडिफाई कर रहा है कम को। दूसरा है आई नो द मैन हु इज हियर। हु इज हियर एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है जो कि क्वालिफाई कर रहा है द वर्ड मैन। He says that he met your brother. That he met your brother. Noun clause. और ये जो है ऑब्जेक्ट है says का। The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. That rocks the cradle. Adjective clause. Qualifying and. Before I die, I intend to see Venice. Before I die, adverb clause. Modifying intend. Let us rejoice as we go forward. As we go forward, adverb clause. Modifying rejoice. I was reading a book which I had read before. Which I had read before. Adjective clause qualifying book. Perhaps he thinks that I am a fool. That I am a fool. Noun clause. Object of thinks. As I drew near, I saw a very curious sight. As I drew near. Adverb clause. Modifying saw. Where are the friends whom I knew? Whom I knew. Adjective clause. Qualifying friends. Can a man live whose soul is dead? Whose soul is dead. Adjective clause. Qualifying man. I think that he will die. That he will die. Noun clause. Qualifying or object of think. I want to find the man who did this. Who did this? Adjective clause. Qualifying man. He made a vow that he would fast for a week. That he would fast for a week. Noun clause. Qualifying vow. Or have you heard that Rama has won the prize? That Rama has won the prize. Noun clause. Object of have heard. It is not the Wazir whom the king suspected. Whom the king suspected. Adjective clause. Object of the word Wazir or qualifying Wazir. He admitted that he wrote the letter. That he wrote the letter. Noun clause. Object of admitted. That he will do it. I have no doubt. That he will do it. Noun clause. Referring to doubt. I know the place which you mention. Which you mention. Adjective clause. Qualifying place. That such a thing could happen, I do not believe. that such a thing could happen. Noun clause. Object of do not believe. When he heard that, he turned very pale. He heard this. Adverb clause. Modifying turn. Have you seen the horse that he has bought? That he has bought. Adjective clause. Modifying or qualifying horse. My father hopes that you will visit us. That you will visit us. Noun clause. Object of hopes. He behaved as a brave man should do. As a brave man should do. Adverb clause. Modifying behaved. I will wait until the next train comes. Until the next train comes. Adverb clause. Modifying will wait. The general feared that he would be surrounded. That he would be surrounded. Noun clause. Object of feared. He ate when he was hungry. When he was hungry. Adverb clause. Modifying ate. Since he has been in hospital, he has improved greatly. Since he has been in hospital. Adverb clause. Modifying has improved. As I was going in, my father came out. As I was going in. Adverb clause. Modifying came. There came a time when he was tired of waiting. When he was tired of waiting. Noun clause. Put in apposition to time. He spoke of a time when wars should cease. When wars should cease. Noun clause. Put in apposition to time. They live where the climate is good. Where the climate is good. Adverb clause. Modifying live. I know a place where roses grow. Where roses grow. Adjective clause. Qualifying place. They have gone to a land whither few travelers go. Whither few travelers go. Adjective clause. Qualifying land. The wind bloweth whither it listeth. Whither it listeth. Adverb clause. Modifying bloweth. They returned whence they had come. Whence they had come. Adverb clause. Modifying returned. The swallows will return to the country whence such birds migrate. When such birds migrate. Adjective clause. Qualifying country. Let none follow me to the retreat whither I now depart. Whither I now depart. Adjective clause. Qualifying retreat. I refer to the year when the monsoon failed. When the monsoon failed. Noun clause. Put in apposition to year. This is not the sort of place where you will get rich in a hurry. Where you will get rich in a hurry. Adjective clause. Qualifying place. Sadly, they returned to the prison whence they had so hopefully set forth that morning. Whence they had so hopefully set forth that morning. Adjective clause. Qualifying prison. You will always regret the day when you did this. When you did this. Adjective clause. Qualifying day. Another occupies the seat where once I sat. Where once I sat. Adjective clause. Qualifying seat. He has gone to the bond whence no traveller returned. Whence no traveller returns. Adjective clause. Qualifying bond. ये भी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 35 अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।